afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a Dollar Tree haul, very small Dollar Tree haul. Um, Today I took a day off because I had to go to the doctor and do some regular blood work, make sure I'm okay. And then after that, I decided to go ahead and visit Dollar Tree real quick. So I went there to see what they had, but mainly I went in there because my son said he wanted a scarf with the to tie in the back because he is growing out his hair, my oldest son. So I was like, okay, let me make sure I go in there and remember to get that and see if there's any other few things I need to grab for the house. How are you guys doing? I hope everything is all going well for you guys this summer. It is extremely hot. Here in South Florida, we've been sitting in the 90s and we're pretty much getting ready for hurricane season, so we have to start getting supplies. I mean, I didn't do it yet, but everybody's is being fully aware of needing to make sure you have supplies ready for the new season of this hurricane thing that we normally have to get prepared for from June through November. The first thing I got was the April Bath and Shower Japanese Bloom Bubble Bath. I have the body spray that they also provide, but they didn't have any when I went to go check it. It is so refreshing, but it's very short lived. But it has a smell that I enjoy smelling, but it goes away so fast. So now it makes me feel like I need to get like the legit Japanese blossom from Bath and Body Works now because it just smells so amazing. Also, I went and got a free spirit cup. I'm going to be going on my very first field trip with my oldest son for the first time ever. Um, they're going to Universal Studio for a whole day. We got to get up super early to be out there to meet with the bus, and we'll be back later on that evening to have fun and things of that nature. Hopefully we do enjoy ourselves. Hopefully we have I'm supposed to be watching other people's kids too, so I didn't know that. I mean, I wasn't aware of that until yesterday. So hopefully the kids that are I'm supposed to be watching aren't afraid of roller coasters and things of that nature. Hopefully they're okay and they could walk and they could tolerate the heat. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog that for you guys. But I got this to take on the road with me. I also got Irish Spring. This thing is like a fragrance for these kids' bathroom because that's the first thing that you smell when you go in their bathroom now. It's so strong and I love it because those boys really know how to stink up a place really fast. So I got 2 bars of those. I went and got the wrap cap for my son. Hopefully this one is good for him. And also the regular cap. Wig cap and a wrap cap. So I got him the wrap cap. Hopefully he's okay with it. I was looking for the longer ones, but they didn't have those either. Also got the cavity protected kids crest, and I also got the Colgate one for them. And the last thing I got was Crunch. If you know Shirley, well, there's something else that's a little bit higher of a chocolate bar that I love more than this. This is number 2. I wonder if anybody knows. You know what? Let me know what is your favorite chocolate bar that you just grew up loving and you still love till this day. Alright, you guys, that was my little haul. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the summer, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.